Hello, myself Dakshayani C, working as a assistant professor of chemistry in Government College for Women, Mandya. Today we are going to discuss it about the phase equilibrium for the course BSc subject chemistry and the paper physical chemistry. This session contains a simple eutectic type potassium iodide water system. Simple eutectic type potassium iodide and water system, that you know that will be it is a typical example for the binary system involving potassium iodide and water forms a eutectic mixture. Salt and water system is the melting point of the salt is usually very high even than the critical temperature of that water. So therefore it is not possible to represent those melting point on the diagram here. As potassium iodide is added to the ice, I don't know what we call it, so that is water in that. Some of that will be dissolved in that water when was in contact with an ice. That is also one of the important here. So here that is a water vapor pressure that will be neglected, and the system is considered as a two phases, that is a solution phase of that is potassium iodide and that ice here. The system under constant pressure, they consider in the corresponding each temperature, then there will be a definite composition of the solution. So yeah, that is when you go for that is the along that is the freezing point curve of water here. This is equilibrium with solution and the ice. So solution means that is a potassium iodide in solution with ice. So whenever that is any point you are taken in that when you cool that at a particular temperature corresponding that you put in a pressure constant in that's your ice that will be a solidified. So that way this is what we call as a freezing point curve of that will be a water in that. So that is what we call as an AC curve. As you reaches up to minus 23 degrees centigrade, when the point say that will only that is your both the solid K and ice that will be separated out. Like that, when you increase the temperature, that is along CB, that is what we call as a solubility curve of potassium iodide, that will be very highly, that is the steep increase in that. It indicates that even though by increasing the small degree in that. So this is a solubility curve, that is the solubility of the potassium, the iodide that will be increases on the that is whatever after this eutectic temperature. Here this BC curve, that is equilibrium with the two phases, that is solution phases and also its solid potassium iodide. So whatever the you have to take a mixture at any point on the BC curve in the thermodynamic equilibrium point of view, then what happens to that, if you take that is a dash here, that's a mixture, that's a above ACB curve, that is all that will be in the solution form, that is whatever the potassium iodide solution. So this A dash you taken in that above that BC, that when you cooled that temperature after that one, that is whenever it will reaches that is a BC, that will be potassium iodide that will be solidified. Like that only if you take that is the above AC curve, that is a freezing point of curve. If you take any point any mixture at the point A, and it will be you are going to that is a corresponding to that composition, if you take that one and you have to decrease the temperature up to that will be freezing point curve of that water, then there will be a ice that will be separate out from the solution. So here it is also this AC curve also a monovariant here because of equilibrium between solution and also ice here, that's a like that only here solution and the solid potassium iodide equilibrium with each other along BC. Therefore these two curves are monovariant. So above that is CC curve, you must know that when these two BC and AC that will be even reaches that point, that will be a C. This C, what we called as an eutectic point, or in a, and those composition of that one, that is will be a eutectic, the mixture it is there. So when it reaches that one, both the solid and the ice, that will be solidified. It is minus 20 degrees centigrade. This is what we call as a solidified line, we called as that one. So then that is above that, that will be a solution composition of C, in which lies vertically, that above, that is a line which is lies vertically above the eutectic point. Cool the composition fall along with that will be a CC. When reaches the point C, ice and potassium iodide both that will be both that will be begin to separate simultaneously. So final the eutectic mixture consisting of, that is the 52% of potassium iodide and 52% of potassium iodide and 48% of water. This one what we call as a eutectic mixture. So by using this phase diagram of potassium iodide water system, we can easily, we are going to separate of any kind of the mixture by using this phase diagram. And these are the reference and sources for making materials and also study material. Thank you.